Introducing the FLD4X LED X-Gen Bullet Floodlight by Westgate Manufacturing. One compact fixture, fully dialed in. Designed for flexibility in the field, the FLD4X puts power, color, temperature, and beam distribution right at your fingertips. Select between 15, 20, or 25 watts to match the output to the application. Choose from 3000, 4000, or 5000 K selectable color temperatures, giving you the flexibility to create the right look for every environment. Then take control of the light itself with adjustable beam distributions, from more focused illumination to wider, more expansive coverage. Delivering up to 150 lumens per watt, the FLD4X combines powerful performance with outstanding efficiency. And with 0 to 10 volts dimming, you have even greater control over illumination levels when the application demands it. Its compact, adjustable bullet design makes it ideal for building facades, landscaping, signage, architectural features, and a wide range of commercial outdoor applications. Available in bronze and black, the FLD4X is UL listed and wet location rated for dependable outdoor performance. The FLD4X LED X-Gen Bullet Floodlight by Westgate Manufacturing. One compact fixture, fully dialed in. Westgate Manufacturing, America's most dependable lighting.